Uncle Mud here. Happy holidays. A little before Christmas 2021. I had a question about my Liberator rocket heater here, about cleaning out the ash. I think that's a two-part answer. Here we've got my little upgrade to the Liberator. This fireplace glass, replacing the cover that it comes with, so I can see the cool fire going on in there. But this is the ash from a full day burn. Wanted to show you how I clean it out. It comes with this cool little tool. It's like a selfie stick, only it's for cleaning out the ash here. I just wanted to show you how much. This is a day's worth of ash. And I can reach all the way back in there to where the internal heat riser, to the back of the internal heat riser. I'm doing this slow so that you can see what I'm doing. Normally it takes me about a quarter the time, because I just zip and it's done. So now here we go. We're clean on the inside. Now, in case your question was more about yearly clean out, the top of this comes off, and we can reach down in there with a shop vac or a chimney vacuum and get the ash out of there. And I set up a clean out here. Got a little flashlight over here. At the end of my pipe that goes into my thermal mass bench that goes over to the chimney, I've got clean outs on the two ends of it. This is the first time I've opened it in a year and a half. Let's see how much is in there. There's no creosote, no soot going on here. There's a little tiny bit of ash, like a quarter of an inch in the bottom there. But no soot, no creosote. That's a really nice thing about rocket heaters. So I have to clean that out every 2 years or every 3 years with a chimney vacuum. Don't have to use a brush or anything. We got a similar one over here. I also use that one. I pop the end off of that to throw a lit piece of fire starter in there if I want to warm the chimney up on a relatively warm day outside. That gives me a little bit of a prime so that the heater starts better. Most important thing I want to mention, though, so that ash is cold from yesterday, but I'm not going to trust that because my neighbor has a regular wood stove, or had a regular wood stove, and the first time he used it, he thought, oh hey, I've got one of these nice metal bins, I'll put it in there in his living room. And he cleaned up his wood stove. He cleaned out his wood stove and went to visit a friend, and his house burned down. So this ash bin is out here on brick just in case, because I don't want my house to burn down. So if you clean out your ashes, take it outside. Don't be risky. Talk to you soon. More on UncleMud.com.